Hi everyone, this is Astira Townhomes located at Alisay City, Cebu, Philippines. So let's proceed to the entrance gate of the townhomes. Hi Kuya Guard, thank you for giving us the complete details and direction of the customer's unit. Right now, 5 p.m. Refrigeration and Airconditioning service is here today for the home service booking repair of one unit effective refrigerator. Issue of the unit is non-cooling. So the scope of works are leak testing, fan motor check-up, moisture flushing, and freon charging. So for inquiry and costing, please visit 5M Refrigeration and Airconditioning Service Facebook page. So now, the installation of the access valve. So the access valve serves as the entry line of the refrigerant from the refrigerant tank to the compressor. Soldering process of the access valve is completed. Next step is to cut the line of the filter dryer. This process is moisture flushing using flow. So the filter dryer being cut serve as the entry point of the flow. Once soldering process is complete, we connect the charging line to the access valve for flushing purposes. Charging line is already connected to the compressor, and the other point is connected to the refrigerant tank, and this is now the moisture flushing process. Using flow, refill in the filter dryer to completely remove the moisture to restore the cooling condition of the refrigerator. Refill is complete, so soldering process is being applied. Alright, soldering is complete. So now, the next step is the freon charging or refrigerant charging being applied. Freon charging is ongoing using manifold heads to determine the suction pressure, discharge pressure of the refrigerant. This unit is Electrolux or white Westinghouse refrigerator. So let's check the unit if the cooling condition is being restored. So cooling condition is already restored, and the repair is complete. Thank you for watching.